Hey everybody, Ed here, Pilot Travel Center. This is some good coffee. I can't say it's the best damn coffee I ever had in my life because it's all about the same. But remember, subscribe if you like what you see as I try to create good and amazing content. The weather's starting to diminish here. As you see, truck's running good, like a tractor should. I got the plow off. Other hand, you gotta check out this coffee because you know this coffee is good stuff right here. Pilot Travel Center, everybody. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see. So I went down to the body shop. I got it set up. We're going to be getting an appointment. New bumper is going to be being installed. The brackets being hit. And anybody that's paying attention to my channel, I'm going to be on tonight live at 10 or 10:30. So watch for me. I got some really good people. Let me tell you, it's all positive and about accomplishments and good gestures and just good life. Not promised tomorrow. So if you want to get on with me and get in the chat room, I think you have a wonderful time because the people that we got in that chat room, they're amazing. We just get rid of the people that are ignorant, one person at a time. And I let them know that won't tolerate negativity, not in any way, shape, or form. Because we're about good quality content and good quality people. Again, like, share, and subscribe. And jump on my live stream tonight at 10 o'clock. Thanks again. The pro you need to know.